This 2025 Winnebago Minnie 2326BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 26 feet 8 inches in length and features a COBALT interior, sleeps 8, leveling jacks, external shower, water heater, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, awning, air conditioning, microwave, slide-out, stovetop burner, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Minnie 2326BH is 5,976 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.